Chapter 35 explores the ecology of ecosystems. An ecosystem is all of the living populations that make up a community and the non-living components of the area. Ecosystems can be characterized by the flow of energy and the cycling of nutrients. Energy flows through an ecosystem. Energy enters an ecosystem as light from the sun. Plants use photosynthesis to convert light energy into sugar, which is a chemical energy. Animals eat the plants and convert the sugar into energy for their own bodies. Every time energy is transferred in a chemical reaction, some energy is lost as heat. That heat exits the ecosystem and the planet by being radiated into space. Nutrients are the matter that are being recycled. Anything made of chemicals like carbon dioxide and water are recycled throughout the ecosystem. Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is used by plants to do photosynthesis. The carbon gets stored in the roots, stems, and leaves of the plant. When the plant needs energy, it uses cellular respiration to create ATP and releases carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. This creates the natural basis of the carbon cycle. Energy and nutrients are abiotic, or non-living components of an ecosystem. The biotic, or living components of an ecosystem, are all the populations found in the community. Scientists categorize these populations based on their food source. Autotrophs produce food for themselves and other organisms, so they are called producers. The word auto means self, and the word troph means feed. Plants, algae, and phytoplankton use photosynthesis to produce food from sunlight. Heterotrophs must consume organic nutrients, so they are called consumers. Heterotrophs are further classified by what kinds of food they eat. Herbivores eat only plants or algae, carnivores eat only animals, and omnivores eat a mix of plants and animals. Scavengers, detritivores, and decomposers consume dead organic matter in different ways. The vulture is a scavenger. They find dead animals and eat them. The mushrooms are decomposers. They don't have a mouth. Instead, mushrooms release enzymes to break down organic matter like rotting trees, and then absorb the nutrients that they need. Decomposers are important to ecosystems because they release nutrients back to the soil to complete nutrient cycles. The earthworm is a detritivore. They eat partially decomposed matter called detritus.